Hi everybody, welcome to Horse Ride. Today we are going to model one famous accessories which will be known for so many people. That is that Marvel Captain America shield. So we are going to model a Captain America shield in this blender. I'm going to guide you with texturing and how to model a shield. Then I'm going to design with the errors. Errors means, so generally we used to model after practicing. We are going to model the each um, object. So now I'm going to model without practicing in front of you, and it will give more clearance for you where you will do the mistake. Like we do the mistake while in modeling, and we will try to ready the same. So you can also learn in that some techniques how to solve the issues when the object is not designing as per our perspective view. Okay, let's go into the video. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get your new videos whenever we upload instantly. After opening the blender, here you can able to see this is the basic structure. Click on general. So generally for everybody it comes one cube, one camera, one light. So here what I have did the default save file setup. I will guide you how to do that with the speed introduction. You can see my beginners videos which I have given in the description link. I have given many links in below, so you can go through the same. So here you can able to see that cone symbol and one some ball pairs are there. Here you can select the centimeters, and here you can select go to the vertices, and here I turn on the shortcut keys to understand for you very easily. And then after that press N on the keyboard, go to tool section, view section. Yeah, this everything is fine. So after doing that you can delete the cube, lights and camera. When required you can add it. So after that you can go to the file, default save startup file. So it will be saved whenever you open the new blender. You will get this new empty scenes. Okay, fine. Press shift A and create a UV sphere and rotate it with X, type 90 on the keyboard for the 90 degree and press enter to confirm. Press 3 on the keyboard, go to the right angle view, press go to tab, and let me view how that seal will be looking. So normally the texturing comes red, white, red, silver, red, then it comes. So we can make it red, silver, no. So we can delete it from here other vertices. Okay, I selected that vertices. Press shift Z to go to the wireframe mode. I am selected the triangle box. You can see that I have selected the triangle box. Drag it on the right click and drag it to create a box selection. Select the box selection and press X and select vertices to delete. Okay, now we have got one seal shape, but I think it's having more curve for the same, so I need to reduce that. I select these two vertices, press GY using shift key. I'm moving a little bit further. I select these two, GY using shift. I'm coming further, and if you're using C on the keyboard for the circle select the middle mouse button to unselect everything, the vertices. Right click to cancel, GY to move on the Y axis. Press shift on the keyboard to move slowly. You can see our beginner video which I have given in the description for the basic installation setup and everything others everything. Press G on the keyboard, Y axis, press Y on the keyboard, using shift key move towards little bit. Okay, I press shift Z to go to the solid view. Yeah, looks better from fine. And go to this tool of symbol, go to add modifier, add a solidify, and I keep it as even thickness, and thickness I'm going to give it as 2. So now it has came 2 thickness, that's okay. Go to tab and press 1 on the keyboard, select these vertices, press X to delete the vertices. Okay, and select these edges, go to the right view pressing numpad on the 3, E to extrude and scale down little bit, and GY is using shift key. Okay, GY using little more. Okay, scale it down still more and press GY using shift key. Okay, again go to the front view and press E to extrude, S to scale, press 3 on the keyboard and zoom it once again, press shift Z and GY, you can move a little bit further, shift Z and E to extrude, S to scale, then press M on the keyboard, merge at center. So now it looks better. So what I'm going to do, press GY and shift to move a little bit tightly down, and select this one and GY move tightly a little bit down to make a curve shape. Fine, and select this one, I press double G to move towards the angle. Okay, and I select these using alt key and select that thing, GY, shift and move little bit, GY shift, using that move little bit further, select these vertices and GY using shift key move little bit further. Okay, now better looks, share smooth, fine, but it doesn't like a sealed. So what I'm going to do here, go to normals and click the auto smooth. Now better, but in corner you can able to see it's not clear curve. So what I'm going to do, press Ctrl 1 on the keyboard to add a subdivision modifier, but it doesn't look that sharpness. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this subdivision towards up. So now it looks better and it's got the curve shape. But here you can able to see nothing is here. You can see the angle little bit is fine, I think. Okay, here you can see that shape is a little bit tightly different, right? So that is due to it's not having the better curving option. So select this and GY, and select this one, GY. Yeah, now looks better. I save it. Okay, don't forget to save the file. Okay, I make tutorial shield. So I save this file. Okay, after creating the basic shield shape, okay, and we are going to give the coloring before going further techniques. Go to the material, click new and go to the material view and let me color it, make it a little bit silver now. The color will be, so go to the metallic, full metallic, and let me reduce the roughness. Yeah, this looks better. So okay, let me do further thing after doing completing all the objects. Yeah, if you like the video, click a like button and share it with your friends. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe the channel